So once you get off the elevator on the 11th deck, we're on the port side, stateroom 11303. It's not too far of a walk down the hall, but it's a little ways. You'll see. Alright, so here we are, deck 11, room 303. We will go in here and see what it's like. So, right when you come in the room, it's first off you notice from a standard ocean view balcony room, this is a boardwalk balcony room. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but anyway, this is a boardwalk facing balcony room. I'll show you the balcony shortly, but anyway, when you first come in the room, you can notice that the room is a bit smaller than your standard ocean view balcony room. So, I'll set my drink down. So you have the sofa that pulls out, and this sofa, by the way, when it's pulled out at night, it comes out to about right here. So it pretty much makes the room, it's time to sleep. It's either time to sleep or you're not going to be able to be doing much moving around in the room. So the room has all of the regular amenities. You have your mirror with of course it has the light, just like any room does. You have a pretty decent amount of storage in this room, except the shelves and stuff are not very deep, not very deep at all. So I have my wife and my daughter traveling with me on this cruise, so if you have a lot of stuff like the women do, it gets a little tight. We had to make it work on this one. Here's the storage and the cabinets and stuff. You have 3 cabinets here, then you have one more cabinet right over there, and then of course that's the refrigerator. So facing back toward the door, we have a king size bed. You can have these split apart, I think. I don't know how that would work with the couch right here. I'm not sure if you can have those split apart, but anyway, usually you can. We have it put together as a king. And then you have some shelves right here on the side of the wall right here as you come in the door. Then you also have, here's your closet. So one of the things that I dislike probably the most, second most in this room, is these closets. These closets are really hard to use. So they're right here. I mean, you have approximately 1.5 to 18 inches right there to get into these closets. And so anyway, so you open the closet up, and I'm tripping over the bed anyway. So you're right here at the bed. This is how close you are to the closet. So anyway, you have your safe as usual, and then you have a little bit of storage up top, and you have all the shelves that you normally have. These are regular size shelves. Now the problem is you can tell these are 2 doors. So you have 2 doors right here. If you want to get into that side of the closet, because all that's accessible is right here, you want to get into that side, so you have to come over here. And again, it's just a tight, but you know, I mean, I'm not trying to be negative. I just want people to understand that when you get a boardwalk balcony room, there are some things that, and I'm a pretty big guy, there are some things that are kind of a negative, but it also has its perks. This room does come with a free, for however many people are in your stateroom, meal at Johnny Rockets, plus you get 2 free drink packages and a buy one get one free milkshake. But anyway, so here's the bathroom. Again, this is the worst thing that I hate. Alright, this bathroom right here is very small. We've had an interior room on a carnival boat in the past that had a bathroom that was larger than this. So you come into the bathroom and you can see me squeezing through the door. So here I am in the bathroom. Alright, so the bathroom is shelf space on the bathroom is absolutely non-existent. You can tell that, you know, you got enough room for a cup, and I mean you have this much space left, so very non-existent. Let me show you another thing, and I'm by no means trying to deter any of y'all from getting this type of room. Again, I just want y'all to understand and see the things that are negative and positive about this room. So let me show you what happens. So the sink, there's my hand for size comparison. The sink is, I've never seen one this small. So watch this. There goes the water. We have done that dang near every time we've turned on the sink. So we have to clean up the water because it gets everywhere. But again, we make it work. I just wanted y'all to see that, because that is very, very inconvenient. So anyway, so here's your, so you have the toilet, just a standard toilet, but you have about 2.5 foot, well, about 3 foot of space right there between that shower and the bar there for this. And this is another thing. This shower, let me see if I can back up so I think I'm getting that view. Okay, so this shower right here is the tiniest shower, I think, fleet-wide in any cruise ship that I've ever been on. So you open it up. This is it. I'm going to try to get this in the shot. It's kind of hard to get it in the shot because I'm so close to it. But this is it, floor to ceiling. I mean, ceiling to floor. That's it. If you by chance drop something on the floor in there, you almost either have to leave it down there or turn the shower off, open the doors, pick it up, and then go on about your shower. So anyway, so there's the bathroom. That's again, that's my worst part that I hate about well, don't hate, I dislike about this room. I don't want to use the word hate because again, any day is a good day on a cruise ship in my opinion. So alright, so there's the bathroom. So let me show you the positive part of this balcony room. This is actually the reason we chose this balcony, because we've never had a balcony like this. We've never been on an Oasis class ship. So let me show you the reason why we did choose it. So you come out here, and again, we're on the 11th deck, and this is the aft of the ship. So you come out here, and this is your view. So that's all the other staterooms on the starboard side, and then look how beautiful. This is actually day 3 of our cruise, so we're kind of in the middle of the Caribbean, almost to St. Thomas. Beautiful day, beautiful sea. There, you can actually watch the Aqua show from here. I wouldn't recommend it. I filmed and watched a little bit of it last night, but you kind of lose a little bit of the, I don't know. You kind of, it's not, anyway, you see. So you see them down there practicing and stuff. So that is the, this is the reason we chose this room. So really cool view of the whole boardwalk area. You have Johnny Rockets right down there. You have the carousel right here, and then that goes into the ship. And then there's a dance floor right down in there. That's pretty cool to watch the people dance at night. So anyway, and also you have the zip line overhead, so it goes right overhead. So anyway, well, there you have it. That is Royal Caribbean's 11303 Boardwalk View Balcony Stateroom. That's a mouthful. So anyway, not to deter anybody to get this room, because we're completely enjoying it, but just be prepared if you are coming with 3 people, it's kind of small.